And who am I? That's not a secret I'll never tell. You know you love me. XOXO. Gossip Girl.
It looks like the bullet missed the liver and kidney, but it may have severed an artery. Linda, grab the bag of saline.
Yes, doctor. Why can't this patient just die already? He is taking up my lunch break.
Oh no. Why is the patient's saturation falling? Why is his pulse quickening?
Wait, doctor, there is hemoglobin in the Foley bag.
How is that possible? Linda, what have you done?
Oh my goodness. I think I may have killed the patient.
What have you done?
What's this we have? Dr. Green and Tom in a trouble?
Did you hear about what happened with Chuck's dad?
Yeah, I heard about that. Didn't he die?
Well, do you know how?
Not really. Chuck didn't really talk to me about it. He was really depressed.
Well, Gossip Girl posted on her website that Tom, the nurse, actually switched the distilled water for the saline bag in the emergency room, and that caused the patient's cells to lyse, which caused a degree of hemolysis, or the bursting of blood cells.
Really? Oh my God, I didn't even expect something like that. Blair, did you know that even a small amount of distilled water injected can cause damage? There was a liter of distilled water injected into Chuck's dad, which apparently caused the hypertonic cells in his body to burst.
But Nady, how do you know that the cells are hypertonic?
Because Blair Bear, the distilled water around the cell was hypertonic compared to the hypertonic cell. If the saline solution had been injected, then the cell would have been isotonic.
Nady, what does isotonic mean again? Is that when there's an equal amount of solute outside and inside the cell, so there would be no water movement?
Precisely. Since there is no water movement into the cell, the blood cells wouldn't have ruptured. Then, the patient's body would return to homeostasis. By the way, stop calling me Nady, Blair Bear.
Have you been seeing Serena again? Anyways, so basically, if the extracellular fluid the doctor had injected had been saline solution instead of distilled water, the intracellular fluid concentration would have been equal to the extracellular fluid concentration. So, the cell wouldn't have burst and Chuck's dad would still be alive? Whoa, so this could happen to anyone?
You're right. The processes that took place in Mr. Bass's body are known as osmosis and diffusion. For example, I heard that in humans, the kidneys are responsible for maintaining homeostasis in the body. The cells in the body require a specific concentration of extracellular fluid. But when the fluid becomes too concentrated or diluted, the cells may burst or shrink. And by the way, I've told you so many times, I love you. Not Serena.
On 80. You make me blush. Oh okay, so this is where the kidneys come in. The kidneys use osmosis to remove excess water from the bloodstream and into the kidneys. The kidneys also use diffusion to remove waste products such as salt and uric acid from the bloodstream, right?
Yup. The kidneys in a human's body help keep the body healthy and helps prevent disease by aiding in the process of urination. Fine, you can call me Nady.
Tee. So do osmosis and diffusion apply to our lives in any other way?
Oh silly Blair Bear. Of course it does. Osmosis and diffusion also play a large role in providing the body with nutrients to keep the body healthy. When you eat food, it goes through a complicated digestive process, and when it reaches the small intestine, the water in the food gets absorbed through the villi in the small intestine, again, through the process of osmosis. After the water is absorbed through the walls of the small intestine, it is released into the bloodstream, for use of the cells and to maintain homeostasis.
Wow, I'm so happy to have such a smart boyfriend. So osmosis and diffusion play a large role in everyone's life and is also important in staying healthy.
Good job, Blair. Okay, fine, I admit, I am still seeing Serena, but I love you.
I knew it. You jerk. We're over.
Well then, today we've had quite the drama. Whatever will happen next in this lovely city of Manhattan? And who am I? That's the secret I'll take to the grave. For now.
love me. XOXO.